I'm Shelby Girl, product manager for our Flexshaft drain cleaning machines.
And I'm John Blakemore. I'm a product trainer here with RIDGID.
And we are going to give you an overview of our newest Flexshaft machine, the K9-12. So this is the smallest, most compact, most lightweight version of our Flexshaft drain cleaning machines. The K9-12 has 30 feet of 1/4-inch cable. It's completely enclosed in this housing. So while stored, you can keep your center cap on top, take it off, reach in for the end of your cable, pull it out and put the cap back on. The cap will make it easier to maneuver to pull your cable in and out while you're cleaning your drain. So you just line up the arrow there with the unlock, twist it to the lock position, and then you're ready to go. So since this is powered by a cordless drill, you have your input shaft here. You want to use a high-speed drill, so 1800 RPM or higher. So you just connect your drill to this input shaft. You want to run it in forward, and you want to be in screw mode. The K9-12 comes with a single chain, plain chain knocker. This is good for grease, hair, other soft blockages, and this is for 1.5-inch pipe. Since it's compatible with all of our other K9-102 accessories, it's very easy to change out the chain knocker. It comes with a 3mm hex key here. You just loosen the set screws in the chain and you can replace it with the other size chain knocker required for the job. When setting your chain knocker, you want to make sure it's about 1.75 inches between the collar lengths, and then you want only 1/4 inch of gap here on the cable between your sheath. So John's going to take you through an overview of how Flexshaft works, what the difference is to a typical drain cleaning machine, and the benefit you get of using chain knockers to get wall-to-wall clean.
Okay, so the Flexshaft is going to be a different technique when you're using any of our Flexshafts compared to a drum machine or a sectional drain cleaner machine or even a hand spinner. This is going to be very, very high speed, very low torque applications. So you're going to want to get that chain knocker spinning at the highest possible speed that you can.
You should always wear safety glasses.
Absolutely. Proper PPE. Do not let this video take place of the manual. Please read the manual.
The key to cleaning with Flexshaft is cleaning on the way back. Before spinning the chains, you'll need to push your cable out to the location of the blockage. Once your chains are at the correct location or you've pushed the cable as far as you can, start spinning your cable at full speed and pull it back towards you to clean the drain. If possible, run water while cleaning to flush the debris out.